Hey, this is Mike Donahue with Fire Engineering. So I did this video to complement the article you just read about common sense in rescue. This is the 3-to-1 we talked about. Here you can see a complete system put together. Here you can see just the outline. Now I'm going to show you how easy this is now that you can see it. So if you look at this outline, it takes the shape of a Z, thus Z-rig. There's a curve up here and a curve down there. They look round, curve round. What do we have that's round? These pulleys. Clue number 1. Round pulley, okay, done. Now, we're working with carabiners, and that connects our hardware to our rope, okay, our rope to our anchors. Those are our means of connecting things. So obviously we got to connect these pulleys to something. So we're going to take a carabiner, connect one to the top, one to the bottom. Now, we need to get these pulleys, these carabiners, onto the rope somehow. Now, you read in the article about the triple wrap prusik. That's a means to grab on something and pull. Well, let's use those. Okay, we have them. We talked about them. Let's use them. So you see here, we have what they call tandem triple wrap prusiks. They're connecting our pulley, our biner, to the rope. So when they're pulled down on, that torsional force that I talked about, you see it happening right here. It grabs it. It allows us to pull our load forward. Now, the last thing we talked about was at some point, these two pulleys are going to meet. It's called the stroke of the system. It's going to max out at some point. So if we let go, well, the load is going to go with it. So we had to put something in called a progress capture device, which is basically something that's going to hold the load so that we can go ahead and reset the system. Now, if you see down here on the anchored pulley, we have another set of tandem triple wrap prusiks going to a separate connection point. Now, once we max this system out, what do we want to do? Set those triple wrap prusiks. If you said that, you're on the money. We're going to set those, which means to lock them up. We're going to slowly offload, which means just let's slack it on the rope. Those tandem triple wrap prusiks now will take the load or carry the load, which will allow us to take this pulley now, grab this set of tandem triple wraps, and slide it up the rope. So essentially you're going back, forward, until you can get the load to where you want it to be. So go back to the article, check out the pictures now that you've seen it done, and you'll realize this really isn't that hard. So thanks for taking the time to read the article, watch the video, come back next month for some more tips, some more good articles, and some great information. Until then, stay safe, stay progressive. This is Mike Donahue.